Hey everybody, Ace here. GameStop. GameStop? Stop. I wanted to make a quick video about GameStop because it's been all over the news and the stock has gone parabolic over the last couple days. I'm going to quickly touch on what the short squeeze is and my thoughts on the company. So before I get into what the short squeeze is, first you need to understand what shorting a stock is. When you're shorting a stock, you're basically betting against a company. So when someone shorts a specific stock, they're saying, I think that company is going to go down in price. So when shorting a stock, you're lending your shares to someone else. Then you're waiting for the stock to drop in price, buy back those shares, and collect the difference. Now, it's public information to know which companies are being shorted, so you can see what major companies have the most shorts or bets against them are. For instance, Tesla was heavily shorted back in the day when it was going through its major rally. So what's happening with GameStop right now, and what is this short squeeze that's happening? Well, GameStop is an underperforming retail company currently, and they got a little bit of positive news with a large investment from a successful e-commerce co-founder. With this positive news, retail investors felt like gas was just poured onto GME, and they thought, you know what, this is our time. It's gonna go. It's time to go. It's gonna go from a boring retail company to just an e-commerce giant. So there was some hype around the stock, and stock price started to go up. Since there was hype across the internet, and the stock rallied a little bit, it caused some major institutions to see the growth of this stock and say, nuh-uh, this stock's a little bit overrated, let's short it. Which is betting against the company, saying that the price is going to go down. Well, then the flocks of retail traders came in, and the super hype of GameStop came across the web, and the price started to climb again. Then the short sellers had to cover their positions so they wouldn't lose money. When the institutions close their short positions, they end up buying more shares, meaning the price is going to keep going up because they are buying more shares. And the price will move up because they are buying more shares. It will keep climbing faster and higher because of the demand. So what really happened was people bought in, retail investors bought in down here, and then the price got up to a certain point. Institutional investors saw that and said, that's way too high than what it should be. Let's put some shorts against it. Well, the price kept going up. Well, now they have to close out those shares, therefore buying more stock. So they said, let's close out those shares. Price kept going up because they were buying more shares. That's more demand. So on and so forth, so on and so forth. And then more or less, the hype of the stock kept spreading throughout the internet as the price kept going up, causing more demand, so on and so forth. You get the picture, right? To say it in a different way, the short sellers are closing their positions, therefore they're buying more stock, causing the price to go up, causing them to then close their positions again, therefore increasing the price again. So more or less they just lit themselves on fire and they're just losing money because of it. This is in essence a short squeeze. Not the easiest thing to understand, but if you have any questions or want me to explain it in a different way, just leave me a comment down below. So let me give you my quick opinion on GameStop and the stock. I personally am not invested into this whatsoever, but it's fun to watch the ride. If you've made profit off this stock, good for you. Congrats. I applaud you. Just don't get burnt. Don't get burnt holding it. Don't think it's going to keep going up forever. If you own it, look to take some profits. But myself personally, I'm staying away and I'm just watching this and letting it see what happens. I'm rooting for the small guys that are making money off of this, but yet again, I caution anyone who owns it, just be careful. Remember, the company did file bankruptcy a handful of months back, and overall its sales and performance is not very good. So in my personal opinion, it's not a very strong company. But watching this unfold and watching the hype throughout the internet and the news coming out about it, it's pretty fun to watch. And that's all I got for you today. Just a quick video about the GameStop short squeeze, kind of talking about what it is. Hopefully I helped. Hopefully I didn't make you more confused. If I did, just leave me a comment down below and maybe I can help in another way. If not, that's all right. If you like this video or learned anything, please just tap that thumbs up button for me. That'd greatly help me out. Subscribe for more content. And until then, I'll see you in the next video.